Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start the next surah. The surah is called Surah Al-Ikhlas Makkiyah. So let us start now. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Surah Al-Ikhlas Makkiyah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwa Allahu. Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Ahad. On the qaf, we read this qaf in heavy sound, as this is in green color due to isti'la letter huwallahu. So the name of Allah here we read in heavy sound. Before the name of Allah you can see there is fatha sign. That's why we read this name of Allah in heavy sound, huwallahu, and also we long here this lam, ahad. So ahad, make sure to read the ha sound correctly from the middle of the throat, and then on the dal we make kalkala sound, and this kalkala will be strong kalkala. Let me explain little bit. If you find kalkala letters, as I already told, there are 5 kalkala letters: qutubu jaddin, qaf, qa, ba, jim, dal. So if anyone from these 5 letters come with a sukun sign on it, so we make kalkala there. So you can see here the dal is one of from that 5 letters. So we need to make kalkala here, but we cannot see a sukun sign here. So should we make kalkala here or not? So then the answer is, if the kalkala letters have a sukun sign, then you need to make kalkala, otherwise don't make. So how we can make the kalkala sound here, as there is no any sukun sign? So the answer is, when we stop, so we skip these both dhammas from this letter, and then we put a sukun sign here for stop. At that time it will be kalkala letter, right? So then we make kalkala and it will be strong kalkala. If the kalkala letters come in the middle of the word, at that time we make weak kalkala. But if kalkala letters come on the end, on the stop place with a sukun sign, or if we put sukun sign ourselves on the stop place like this, then we make strong kalkala there, as we are doing here. So now we read again. Qul huwa Allahu ahad. And there is a stop sign, the circle, and the little jim. And jim is the optional place. When this jim comes, you can stop, you can continue as well, but the stop is better. So the next is Allahu Samad. Allahu Samad. So the name of Allah, again we are reading in heavy sound, Allahu. Okay, before the name of Allah there is fatha sign, Hus-Samad. The sad also we read in heavy sound, and on the dal we make kalkala again. So we skip this dhamma on the dal and we put a sukun sign here, and then we say Allahu Samad. And you can see there is one arrow here on the word ahad and on the word Allah. So what is this? So they are saying something about here. There is a one rule. If you stop, so you will say ahad, and then you will continue Allahu Samad. Otherwise, there is one rule. If you want to continue on this place, how you can continue? So if you want to continue, then these double dhammas which you are looking on the dal, we skip one dhamma from this place, right? And in the replace of this skipping dhamma, we put a teeny noon here, like the small noon for joining, because that noon comes in the place of this one dhamma, and there will be one dhamma on the dal, so it will be ahadu, okay? And the second dhamma which we skipped, we replace a little noon here, and that noon basically we connect with the name of Allah, and this hamza also will be skipped from this place, so it will be ahadu nilla. So noon we connect basically with the name of Allah then, and we put a kasra under the noon, it will be ahadunillahus. At that time the name of Allah will be in light sound. How to join these places? Let me tell you. قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ اللَّهُ الصَّمَدُ. قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ اللَّهُ الصَّمَدُ. Okay, when we connect, when we join Ahad and Allah, so then we put a teeny noon here for joining, and it will be Ahadunillahu Samad. And the next is Lam Yalid. Lam Yalid Walam Yulad. Walam Yulad. If after the mim sakin, if the next letter is ya, so we make izhar shafawi there, like we make the clear sound of mim there, so we say lam yalid. So on the dal we make kalqala. If we stop, it will be strong kalqala, but if we continue, so it will be weak kalqala then, because at that time it will come in the middle of the words. And then the next walam yu. On the mim again we make izhar shafawi, like we make the clear sound of mim, and this waw we long here due to waw madda. Walam yulad. On the dal again we make qalqala, and it will be strong qalqala here in the end. So we say all together lam yalid walam yulad. Lam yalid walam yulad. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. So here walam again we make izhar shafawi. After the mim sakin, the next letter is ya. So yakullahu. Here you can see noon sakin is coming. After the noon sakin, the next letter is lam. We make idgham without gunna. So that's why we are not making gunna sound here. Only we are reading kaf and lam. Noon we do not read here because it is difficult. If we include noon sound between lam and kaf, it will be difficult place to read together noon and lam sound. That's why we skip this noon sound from here, and kaf we connect directly with the lam, and it will be idgham without gunna. So we say again walam yakul lahu, who we long due to standing dhamma on it. Kufuwan. On the waw there is double fatha. After the tanween, like double fatha, the next letter is hamza. We make izhar here. We make the clear sound of noon. So we say kufuwan ahad. On the dal again we make qalqala. So we read again walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Now I say all together قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. Allahu Samad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. I hope you understand this surah. If you have any kind of question regarding this surah, please leave a message under this video. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the new surah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.